Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Do you have to boil smoked ham? The answer, in short, is if it is cured, smoked or baked. Ham is considered pre-cooked, and would not technically need to be cooked. As a deli meat, it can be eaten right out of the refrigerator, but other hams are typically reheated for improved flavor and texture. Why do you boil ham? It retains the flavor, tenderness, and moisture through a gentle simmering process. Boiling is a good method to use when cooking dry cured country hams. Cooking by this method provides a lot of flavor because it draws additional flavor from the meat itself and the bones as the ham cooks. Why is ham always pre-cooked? A pre-cooked ham is just as the name suggests. It has been completely cooked either by baking, curing or smoking, and in the hands of the home cook, simply has to be reheated to an appetizing serving temperature so that its flavor is at its best.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.